Umi, no, no, no. See? Just a gentle flick. Meow. Look at that. Meow. Okay, Umi, let's make a fish-shaped roll. Oh my goodness, Umi. These are so cute. I bet mine will be the tastiest. Meow. Let's be careful next time, Umi. Here, let me show you how to clean this up. It's okay. See? Just like this. Meow. Meow. This needs something. Good morning, Lyta. It is I, Chef Umi of the morning. Okay, Umi. First we add the salmon. Oh, Umi, you ate half of it. Welcome back to Tiny Kitchen Adventures. Oh no, Umi, your whiskers are frozen. We are going to make scrambled eggs. Wow, look at all these colors. Let's make the best meal ever for our cat friends. Not yet, Umi. Ro? This looks so yummy. I know, I can't wait to try it. Is that a yummy strawberry treat? Meow! This looks great. This looks great. Umi, like this. Meow. No, with the spoon. Spoon, silly. Meow. Remember when the dough went flying?